Hi, Callum here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Dark and Stormy, but before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The Dark and Stormy is said to have been created in Bermuda just after the First World War when some naval officers mixed some locally made ginger beer with some dark rum. And the name supposedly comes from when an old sailor likened the dark, murky hue of the drink with a cloud only a fool or a dead man would sail under. The Dark and Stormy has been a Caribbean classic for about a century now and has been enjoyed by seafarers and cocktail enthusiasts ever since. So, let's get into it. We're going to build this drink in a highball glass with ice. The Dark and Stormy is one of the few patented cocktails in the world, calling for Gosling's Black Seal as the only rum you can use. So if you aren't using this rum, you're making this drink illegally. We're going to add lime juice to the original recipe just to balance the sweetness of the rum. We're going to top this drink with ginger beer. If you use a dry ginger beer, you can add a dash of sugar syrup to balance. We will garnish this drink with a lime wedge. So there you have it, the Dark and Stormy. Enjoy!